Having trouble finding superchargers on your Tesla app? This is a common issue, especially in areas with weak GPS signals after software updates, or if your app isn't properly configured. The app relies on accurate location services to pinpoint nearby superchargers and ensure you can charge your vehicle efficiently. We'll guide you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue and get you back on the road. First, ensure the Tesla app has always allow location access in your phone's settings. Accurate charger detection needs GPS triangulation, cellular, and Wi-Fi data. Weak signals or network outages can prevent the app from finding chargers. To do this on iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, Tesla, and check the Always Allow setting is enabled. On Android, Settings, Location, App Permissions, Tesla, and check the Allow All the Time setting is enabled. On Android, enabling high accuracy mode can also improve results, especially in rural areas. Using an outdated Tesla app can cause problems finding superchargers. Make sure you have the latest version from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Outdated apps may lack new supercharger data and important bug fixes. Additionally, you can manually refresh your map by navigating to Settings in the Tesla app, then selecting Map and choosing Refresh. This ensures you have the most current supercharger locations. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Close the Tesla app completely, then restart your smartphone or tablet. After your device restarts, open the Tesla app again and check if the supercharger map is now displaying correctly. This will reinitialize the location services and is a quick and easy fix. Step 4 focuses on clearing the app cache on Android devices only. Clearing the cache can fix problems caused by corrupted or outdated data stored locally on your device. To clear the cache, navigate through your Android settings. Open Settings, then go to Apps, find the Tesla app, tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache. Keep in mind that the exact menu options might differ slightly depending on your Android version. Always check your device's specific interface. Important note, there is no way to clear the app cache on iOS devices like iPhones. This feature is only available on Android. If the previous steps haven't worked, try deleting and reinstalling the Tesla app. This ensures you have a fresh installation and can resolve more persistent software problems. Don't worry, your Tesla account information will be preserved. Delete the application like normal. Then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Tesla's servers sync real-time charger status, and delays or server issues can make chargers appear unavailable. Check Tesla's service status page or online forums to see if others are experiencing similar problems. Be patient and try again later if there's a known outage. A quick Google search will yield Tesla's service status. If the previous troubleshooting steps don't resolve the supercharger detection issue, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools and can identify specific problems with your account, vehicle, or the app's backend systems. To contact Tesla support, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate to the support section within the app where you can start a chat or call with a support representative. For faster and more efficient support, have your vehicle's identification number or VIN ready when you contact them. The VIN is a unique 17-character code that identifies your specific Tesla vehicle. The VIN can typically be found on the driver's side door jamb, under the hood, or on the vehicle's frame. Having this information ready will help Tesla support quickly access your vehicle's records and provide targeted assistance.